Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover. And I thought for today's video I would try to recreate a look that I did last year, which is this like dark blue, like snowy night makeup. So let's just get started with it. Alright, so I already have my base done already, and this is going to be hopefully a super simple eye look. It's only using a few shadows. I am using two different palettes because last year the palette that I used is no longer available, which if you have this palette, the Christmas Eve palette from Oden's Eye, the look I'm doing today you can basically recreate with this. Hopefully. For today, I'm going to be using the Nomad Fuji 5 Lakes palette because I'm realizing when I originally played with this palette, I never used the blues. And I haven't gone back to it, so I need to use the blues. And I'm going to pull a little bit of the shades from the Colourpop and Frosty collab. So I'm going to pin back my hair. I'm going to prime with my Anastasia eye primer, and then we'll get started with this makeup. I'm going to start with the Fuji 5 Lakes, and I'm going to go into the shade that I cannot pronounce, but it's Mount H-O with a dash over the O, E-L? Or E-I? E-I. So yeah, I really don't know how to pronounce that. Taking that shade and I'm going to start patting that all over my lid. I'm going to pat before I start blending because I don't want a ton of fallout since my face was done. Obviously, if you recreate this, I would recommend doing your shadow first and then your base makeup. But I like to be complicated. So I'm really just stamping that all around. I'm not blending yet. I'm just trying to get a general shape and then I'll blend it out. But this is going to be a very dramatic blue smoky eye pretty much with a lot of sparkle. That is just such a gorgeous color. Oh, I love it. I'm going to go in with a blending brush. So I'm just going to lightly blend the edge and just start bringing this further up and out. And it's going to be a lot of blending. So it's going to be using this brush, going back in with the dark blue just to get as good of a gradient. I'm liking that blend. I'm going to move to the Frosty palette and I'm going to go in with the shade Splendid here. And I'm just going to very, very lightly start adding that in the crease, above the crease, basically, like right all in here. And this is just a Real Techniques brush, the 045 I want to say. And like I said, just adding this right in here. It's just going to help blend out this darker shade of blue and give it more of a gradient, which is what I am looking for. And I will have to touch up the navy shade in a moment. And just re-intensifying the lid and just a soft blend in the crease. I mixed the dark blue and the light blue, and that is giving me a nice bow transition. Now I am going to go in with a black eye pencil. This is from e.l.f. And I'm going to heavily put this in my waterline and I'm going to tightline with it. Okay, I'm going to add just a smidge more on my lower lash line. And I'm going to buff that out with that dark blue. And I'm just going to use the same brush that I've been using. It makes it easy on myself. So really just buffing this over the black. Okay, and I'm just going to sweep that around to connect the bottom and the top. I'm going back in with that other blending brush. No additional product. And I go back into the Frosty palette with just this light blue and just go right underneath. Now I have a couple different options for the shimmer, but first I think I want to highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to go into Christmas Snow in the Frosty palette, so just right at the brow bone. And you know what, also the inner corner, why not? I do have a little bit of fallout, so it's going to make it a little bit more of a blue white, but it works. Now I need to figure out what shimmer I want. That one is from the Nomad palette. Ice and Snow might be pretty. I'm thinking about what I could like scatter across the lid or something wonderful. Happy Birthday I think would be too pink. I think I'm going to go in with this one, which was Something Wonderful. So I'm going to go in with Something Wonderful. I might go in with a little bit of Ice and Snow, but I'm just going to take that on my finger and just all around just dab it. No glitter glue. I want more like a scattered effect, which that is stunning. The look I did last year was more silver and blue, but this is equally as pretty. So I am gonna go in with Ice and Snow Next Door. Oh my god, that just, oh yes, that, oh I love that. Oh, just right in the center. That combo is the winner. Oh, it is so stunning, so stunning. I'm gonna do the same on the lower lash line. So first going in with Something Wonderful, just lightly tap, and then with Ice and Snow on top. I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. Add even more shimmer all the way around. Alright, I think what I want to do now is the little snowflake designs. I am going to be going in with the Lens and Glisten palette, and I'm going to be going in with the white, and I'm just going to be going in with a glisten brush. So I'm not very good at doing snowflake designs, but I'm going to just do like little lines with like Y's on the end. Oh, that's so cute. I should probably zoom you in for this. And of course just do some dots around. And try to do like little like star point. You can add as many dots as you want. You can do as many snowflakes as you want. It all depends on what you're comfortable doing. I think I want to try to do one more snowflake. That's as good as it's gonna get for that one. Somehow that one is much bigger than that one. I'm just gonna add, I think, a few more dots. I feel so cute in this. This is freaking adorable. So good. And it's so easy to do, in my opinion. Honestly, if you can't do the snowflakes, just do the white dots. You'll still get the same effect. Okay, but I need to quit while I'm ahead. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep adding more and more, and it's gonna get overrun. But ooh, do I love that. While I got you zoomed in, I am gonna do a wing. This is just the NYX and Beetlejuice one. Obviously, it's the only one I've been using. Do I want to do a wing? Sure, why not? A baby one. Something like that. Yeah, sure, why not? I would say that those are almost even. Shocker. For lashes, I think I'm gonna go in with Teddy from Kiss. I think that these will work with this. Yeah, that'll work. But I lost my lash glue. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, choose a lip, maybe do something with my hair, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. But I am loving how this looks so far. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look. I absolutely love how this turned out. I absolutely love playing with blue eyeshadow. It is so fun. It's a little scary, it's a little bit intense, but it is always so good. I will say though that I actually like blue eyeshadow on me more when I have more blonde in my hair. I think blonde hair and blue eyeshadow is just so good together. But I did go in with those Teddy lashes. I don't think that they were the best choice for this look, but I did find my lash glue. And before I forget, for my lips, I did go in with two products from Colourpop. I have the Ashton Lippy Pencil, and then from the Pokemon collab, this is the Waterstone Ultra Glossy Lip. I just thought like a cool tone lip would be kind of perfect with this eye instead of doing something like super nude. But all my makeup details will be listed down below. Let me know what you think of this look, and I'm going to zoom you out to finish up this video. Yeah, I forgot that I had this sweater, and I freaking love it. And I'm so sad that we're so far into December, and I just remembered that I have it. Anyways, that's it for this video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I know we're getting towards the end of my 25 days of Christmas, but I will be having more videos coming out after Christmas. Still trying to figure out if I want to take like a mini break because I've been like filming and editing non-stop. We'll see. We'll see. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want any book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's that reads on TikTok and Instagram. I don't think I have anything else to say other than thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Happy holidays, and I will see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye.